Hello, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making a pound cake, an easy pound cake. Let's get started. Okay, here in this bowl I have a cup and a half of flour that I sifted. I also have a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cups of sugar. That's our dry ingredients. I'm going to just mix that around a little. Get everything combined. Okay, and now we're going to do our wet. Okay, here I have 4 eggs. I have some almond extract. I'm going to use a tablespoon of that. I love this almond extract. And I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now you can use both or you can use either or. It's up to you. As a matter of fact, you can use any type of flavoring that you choose. That's entirely up to you. Or you can do it this way. Okay. I'm going to mix those eggs together. So quick and easy. And my oven is already heated at 350. Okay. This is my 2 sticks of butter that I've melted. Let's get it together right here. I'm going to make sure this is mixed well once again. We want that baking powder and salt and sugar to be all combined, even though we're going to mix it again, of course. I'm going to pour my egg mixture, make a little well or something. I'm going to pour that in. All of that flavor. Give it all to me. Mix that. Smells delicious. Delicious. Started. Eat. And into there I'm going to add my butter. And we're going to mix this. You know we're going to need this to be really nice and smooth. And you can use your hand mixer. You can use your big mixer, or you can take your time and just mix it yourself. I like my old school mixer, which I'm going to get in just a second. Sorry about the noise. I have to get this out because we need all of that. Yes, we do. Okay, that's enough. That's enough noise. Old school favorite. That was hard, guys. I broke a sweat doing this. Just think, back when they used to grab this bowl with a big spoon and put it up under their arm, slant that bowl and beat whatever. And with strong women. God bless them, including my mom and my grandma. Okay. Let's get get this out of here. You want it nice and creamy. I'm going to show you. Nice and creamy. And I have my low pan that I have greased with, I used Crisco. You can use cooking spray or whatever you have, butter. And pour it into this pan. Oh, and I floured it, if I didn't say that. Just kind of tap it because you want it all to settle. That gets all the air out of the cake as well. And like I said, my oven is on 350. We're going to cook it for about 50 minutes to an hour, or until your knife or your toothpick, whichever you choose to use, comes out clean. Okay, that's been 1 hour. We're going to let it cool, and then we're going to slice it. Let it cool for about 10 minutes. See how moist? Really easy and delicious. Hey, thanks for watching, and remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you. Share with friends and family, and comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, eat well, be safe, and stay blessed. Until next time. Love you. I really do. Make you some of this cake. It's so simple and so easy. You'll be glad you did. Don't forget the ice cream.